This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, August the 28th. Key points to go through is that we're still expecting a few residual showers and thunderstorms through Friday, but we're not expecting much additional significant accumulations of rainfall. And when we're looking at drier weather with gradually warming temperatures for the weekend. Weather risk outlook, we're expecting little to no additional significant impacts to the weather for the next couple of days. Current satellite image still shows quite a bit of cloud cover over the region with this departing system starting to move away from the area. High temperatures today still a little bit on the cool side, generally 60s in the highlands with 70s in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. Wind gusts today, peak gusts are generally in the 15 to 20 mile per hour range, and you start seeing drier air starting to work into the region from west to east across the area. Still rather minimum humidities in the Island Park and Driggs region, but much drier air out across the Magic Valley and portions of the Central Mountains. Chances of precipitation today still pretty high, especially out across the Island Park Driggs region today. A lot less as you start moving west. And then additional amounts, still could see an additional quarter of an inch possible up around Island Park and Driggs. But those rainfall amounts diminish very quickly as you move to the west. Low temperatures tonight, generally in the 40s and 50s across the region, and still good humidity recoveries across the area. Rain chances tonight, hanging on to a sliver of a rain chance, and best chances really are out over the Island Park and Driggs area, where we might have a few showers still remaining after sunset tonight. But as a whole, probably the rainfall amounts, even what you see here, rainfall chances are probably a little bit overdone. As we go into Friday, still continued cool with temperatures starting to warm up a little bit. We start seeing some 80-degree temperatures in the Magic Valley. Winds and humidity for Friday, generally looking at light winds on Friday, gusts of 10 to 15 miles per hour, and drier air still continuing to work in through the region with some min humidities in the 25 to 30% range across the Central Mountains and into the Magic Valley, but still in the 35 to 40% range for the Eastern Highlands. Still a few residual pop-up showers, maybe a rumble of thunder possible, especially across the high country on Friday, but very little additional rainfall amounts expected. Low temperatures as we go into Friday night, generally in the 40s in the high countries and low to mid-50s in the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley. Still pretty decent humidity recovery at night, generally looking at 60% or higher across most of the area. As we go into Friday night for chances of precipitation, yeah, there's still an outside chance for a stray shower in the Island Park region. That's probably overdone. It looks pretty dry for the most part. As we go into Saturday, generally start seeing those temperatures starting to warm up, upper 70s to around 80 across the area for most locations. Peak wind gusts generally still in the 10 to 15 mile per hour range, so not a whole lot of wind. Lowest humidity for Saturday, you start seeing a lot of 25 to 30% min humidities across the region. Chances of precipitation Saturday mainly dry across most of the area. With no additional rainfall expected. So just to conclude, a few residual showers and thunderstorms are possible through Friday, but generally speaking, looking at drier weather with a warming trend as we head into the weekend. And that concludes this morning's briefing, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.